Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the container services on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. And you might be wondering, what is this container service? This is basically a service within the Windows features that allows you to create and manage servers and the resources. So if you're not working with servers, then you might want to ensure that this feature is disabled, right? Because there's no need to have that on. So how do you do it? Click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in Windows, and you will see the option that says turn Windows features on or off. Click on that. Now in here, you will see if you have this container service enabled or not. And if it does, you can simply go ahead and uncheck that. Then click on OK. It will search and apply those required files. And once this is done, you will be asked to restart your computer so that it is complete. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.